Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to install Block Blast on your mobile device in a very easy step-by-step guide for 2026. First of all, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Make sure your device is properly connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data, because a slow connection may interrupt the download process. Once the Play Store is open, go to the top search bar and tap on it. Now type Block Blast carefully. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the official version of the game. It is very important to check the app name and icon because sometimes there are similar or fake apps available. Always select the original and trusted app from the search results. After finding the correct Block Blast game, tap on it to open the app page. Here you will see an install button. Simply tap on it and wait for the download and installation process to complete. This may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, you will see an open button. Tap on it to launch the game. After opening, you may need to sign up for an account or log in if required. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now you are ready to enjoy Block Blast smoothly on your device. Have fun playing and enjoy your gaming experience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy guides like this. See you in the next video. Take care and enjoy gaming.